Meet the G-Boss, a crazy wide-body G-Class with a pretty unusual exterior color, which is designed by Germany's G&B Design. The body kit is available to all W463 generation models from 2000 to 2018. The kit adds a more sculptured hood, with an edgy front apron, as well as a modified radiator grille and darkened headlights. The front bumper's lower lip visually connects with the extended side skirts, and the same line continues all the way back to the new rear diffuser. The spare wheel cover and mirror caps are covered with high-quality carbon. There is small and stylish roof spoiler with integrated 3 LED units. The body is finished with solar beam, semi-gloss finish, and it is enhanced with black contrasting elements, giving the overall impression of a school bus-themed G-Class. There is also a glowing G-Boss lettering on the ceiling. The wide-body kit will cost you $13,500 and can be ordered through G&B Design website.